this is what we're here for today. FabFitFun box, and we're unboxing. I am super excited for this because I have been dreaming of the day that I had enough subscribers for a FabFitFun sponsorship, and now I'm partnered. I'm partnered, baby. FabFitFun sponsor. We're gonna do an unboxing. It's the first one I've ever gotten, so I'm pretty hyped about it. You guys get the benefits too. So if you use code CourtneyR on their website, you can get 20% off of your first box. I have safety scissors. I don't know how this started, but basically when I was a kid, my mom didn't let me have real scissors, especially in my bedroom. So essentially, I have like 8 pairs of safety scissors just littered around my bedroom, which is great for when I need them, but not so great when I need real sharp scissors. Packaging. Now you have the down review too, so we can start actually unboxing this package. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Come to me. It doesn't want to. That worked. Okay, I'm really excited. Are you guys excited? Because I'm freaking out right now. Summer box time. I feel like my audio is gonna be absolutely horrible just from the amount of times that I'm just like on the box, you know? I'm just like rubbing it. So the first thing to come out is this cute little scratch ticket, which I think scratch and match 4 logos in a row to win. Play for a chance to win over 1,000 winners. I'm gonna do this. Okay, ready and okay, so I've come back, I finished the scratch ticket, and so it was like a little bingo that I had to get 4 in a row for. I didn't, sadly, but you might, so get your box. Be sure, use the code below or the link in the description, CourtneyR20, to get your 20% off. Okay, we've got some more packaging. We love. Okay, you can actually see the stuff now. The stuff is visible. Okay. So, I got this water bottle, and it is the Pop Sugar water bottle that has like the different amounts of water you should have drank throughout the day, and then you like refill it and you do it again. I'm mostly going to be using this when I go to the gym because it's got this little, nifty little strap, which I think is going to be great. Going to class, going to the gym, whatever. This is gonna be my water bottle. Also, I kind of love this color. I've actually been dying for one of these because I used to follow Blogilates a lot, and they did so many collabs with Pop Sugar that I would always see these water bottles as a teenager, and I was like, oh my god, I want one. But in my mind, I was always like, you know what, I can't spend that much on a water bottle when I live at home, right? I'm mostly here. I work from home like 6 out of 7 days a week. So I was like, I don't need it, it's fine, I'll just use glasses. And then I saw this come up as one of my options when I was customizing my box for this month. And I clicked so fast. I don't even think I looked at the other options. I was so excited to get this, genuinely. I'm really excited for this little skirt because it also matches my bathing suit because of the green. So it's got, see the little green flowers on it? And those are gonna match my bathing suit top, which is super cool. It's just a little wrap. So you just take this, tie it around your waist, and then it covers your lower half while you're just hanging out on the beach. The beach vibes we're going for. I might even just use this sitting by my pool too, because I have neighbors that are very close, and they have very small children. And I don't have a very small chest, so it'll be great for in the summer. Okay, so we've got a little probiotic triple peptide refreshing eye cream. I have been getting really into like face stuff just because I hadn't really had a skincare routine like at all for the first 20 something years of my life. So I've started doing a lot of eye creams. So you can't tell now because, well actually, you know what, maybe you can tell. Don't tell me if you can. But I normally have really dark circles under my eyes, and I have to use a lot of color corrector to get rid of it. And I was like, you know what? I have a better plan, and it's to just get rid of the dark circles instead of hiding them. So before any of you say anything, it's not sleep. I sleep sometimes. I usually try to get at least 6 to 7 hours a night, which is probably not the best, especially if I have dark circles like that, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. No big deal. But I'm gonna get this little guy open. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. I didn't know what the bottle looked like inside. I'd only seen the box on the website, but it's adorable. It's so cute. It's not super fragrancy, which I kind of like, but there's like subtle hints of something in there that's really like sweet. I'm excited to try this one. I'm gonna use this tonight, I think. On to the next. Oh, this is the next thing that I chose for my box. This is a cleanser with green tea and centella. I didn't have a cleanser for my face. I've been using Dove soap for like a really long time, which works most of the time. I will say, I'm a Dove soap enjoyer, but I'm excited to try this because I don't have any actual cleansing products, and I have a lot of like gunk on my face, especially after wearing makeup, because I use makeup wipes more than I use makeup removers, so a lot of it just stays on. But with the cleanser, we're gonna get all of it out. I can't wait to try this. I didn't think that it would be this big. I know FabFitFun does full-size product, but I thought it was gonna be like, you know how they're like, oh, it's full-size, but it's short. It's not. This is like a full-ass. I'm going to use the bejesus out of this. I currently have this like teeny tiny little Vera Bradley wallet, and it's about this size, but it's kind of starting to fall apart, which is really sad. I was like, this one's cute. It's summery. It's perfect. So I'm gonna swap all of my cards and stuff into it. It's got a little pouch on the back. Perfect for like your ID card if you just need to flash it quickly. Personally, I never leave my ID card in these back pouches just because I'm always worried that somebody's gonna see it or something. I guess if I lose my wallet, they're seeing it anyways. But it always used to worry me, so I always have my business cards that I put back here. And then you open it up and it's just one little pouch for all your important stuff. I know that these are called change wallets, but I don't like putting change in them because I find it makes them really bulky. But maybe what I'll do is I'll use this one for my cards and I'll use my old one for my change. And then I'll have two, and then I'll be all set to go. We are down to the last item. I got a yoga mat. Now, this is gonna be too big for me to properly show you from this angle or even from my top-down angle, but this is a big ass yoga mat. The one that I currently have is actually from the dollar store. I've been using it for years just because I have a carpet in my bedroom, and there's something just weird about like yoga on a carpet. I don't like it. It doesn't feel nice on my feet or on my back, especially with my long hair. Like it makes my carpet full of long blonde hairs, and you can see them for like weeks after I've vacuumed because they're just tangled in from the weird yoga poses and stuff. So I now have a yoga mat that's actually gonna fit my full body even when my arms are stretched. Non-slip, compact design, one mat. I'm really excited. This here is what it's gonna look like. It's got constellations, which is really cool. My journal that I use for like everything that you'll never see again because I can't find another one, has the same kind of pattern with like the stars and the blue. I really love it, but I need to find a new one because that one I filled. I actually filled a journal, which is kind of impressive. I have a lot. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes my first FabFitFun unboxing video. Let me know what you liked. Let me know what you think I should add to the video. What should I take away from the video? Anything? Do I need more clips? Do I need more inserts? What do I need? Tell me what I need, please. I want this YouTube thing to work. It's fine. It's good. We're chilling. Be sure to check out the link in my description below. It's gonna have all the information you need for how to get your own box. It literally costs, with my discount code, it'll only cost you as low as $47. And $47 for all of this is like nothing. I think honestly, if you really broke it down, like one or two of these things would probably push that limit over like on its own. And if you're already on the FabFitFun website, all you need to do is use the code CourtneyR20 at checkout to get 20% off of your order below. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out, and be sure to catch me live on Twitch, I guess, yeah. And yeah, that's it. stay cool, I guess. Come back for the next video. I'm sure there'll be one eventually. Just good luck.